of you has material possessions and sees a brother or sister in need, but has no pity on them, how can the love of God be in you? Dear children, let us not love with words or with tongue, but with actions and in truth.
As you all know, the people of Haiti last week were devastated by the large earthquake and are in great need.
The youth group here at the Decatur Christian Church is doing what we can by sending food.
You can help too.
If you want to help too, you can send food donations to the Northwest Haiti Christian Missions Group. If you want to send donations, you can send them to the following address: 150 Laurel Land Avenue, Suite E, in Frankfort, Kentucky, 40601. Here are the things that they really need. They need high protein foods: peanut butter, protein bars, beans, canned meat, and baby formula. They also need medical supplies: bandages, sutures, splinting supplies, IV fluids, and antibiotics. Here at Decatur Christian Church, we're sending some food. You can do your part by helping too. Most importantly, please pray for Haiti.
Pray for Haiti.
Pray for Haiti. Pray for Haiti.
Pray for Haiti.
Pray for Haiti.
Pray for Haiti.
Pray for Haiti.